So these guys, I tell you, man, crazy. Why did that guy do that? I don't get it. Didn't he check his reviews to see if there's anything in there? Man. Wow. Damn. Look at all that traffic, and that guy didn't see that from a mile back, or even a half a mile, so he could have started braking before. I don't know. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Damn. Whoa. That's crazy. Come on, bro. Come on. Man. It's raining. Why are you traveling so fast behind those cars? Incredible. Not good. Whenever you have a mechanical issue on an highway, especially a freeway, please try your very best to get to one of those shoulders if you can, or one of those off ramps. Best thing. Because if you're stranded in one of those lanes, cars and trucks coming at 100 miles per hour, you're in trouble. Serious trouble. That driver can't be alive. I don't think it's possible. No way. Winter driving, man. Not easy. Damn. Whoa. That's bad. That's a bad one. Let me see. Bro, why didn't you pull to the right or even to the left? I don't get it. You just held on to your brakes. Come on, man. If you're braking, you can't steer, right? If your wheels are all locked up, there's no way for you to steer out of anything. So you're screwed. Oh. Ooh. This doesn't look very good. There you go. Car guy knew he was wrong, so he didn't even. Oh, he stopped. Car woman. What is she gonna say about that now? He drove out into the truck. Ooh, hit that light pole down. Oh man. And comes blocking the road now. Ooh, road is blocked. Come on, bro. You're entering a town. Slow down. Hey. Hey. What's this guy gonna do? Make a U-turn right there? Didn't even stop. Holy crap. Oh man, what are these guys? Come on. This guy is up to something. Definitely. To me, this guy looks like he's gonna break on this guy. Check it out. What's he gonna do? Let's see. Hey! He turned into a... Oh man, he did really break, but he switched lane right into the truck. Oh crap. Wow. That's crazy. Man. I knew that something was gonna happen very soon. Just didn't know when. Look at that. Pepper is in his rightful lane and this car guy just switched on him straight into his front end. Look at this guy. Oh, wow. Man, I tell you. You don't want to go through the tolls? That's why? Oh. People are crazy. Wow. Guy didn't even stop. Hit the car and just went on to his merry way. Whoa. That Tesla is screwed. Whoa. You didn't touch it? That was close. Oop. Seriously? What's gonna happen here now? Man. Let's see what's gonna happen in this one. That car guy at the right side, he wants to swing over, but he's not going ahead of the truck. He's trying to turn into the truck. I don't get it. Man, come on. Guy's gonna turn into the truck. He's a motorist. Ooh. Ooh. Fire. Damn. I didn't call in fire right away. Man. Oh my goodness. It's a gas truck. A gas tanker. Hopefully that driver got out safely. Man, that's crazy. Come on, man. Oh. Come on. I think some of these guys, they're just out there trying to get in trouble with some of these trucks. Trust me, I don't get it.